Everybody there. Everybody. Stand. Pag everyone may it's okay. Okay, just bow down the head and let us bring to the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Okay, good afternoon everyone. So, life insurance is the continuation of our report. We have different kinds of insurances, such as the home insurance and the automobile insurance and the life insurance. So, in life insurance, as most people discovered, life is full of unexpected events that can have far-reaching consequences. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. Wala ta kabalo sa atong future. Kabalo ta sa atong past, pero wala ta kabalo sa atong future. Di ba? Okay. Wala kabalo, enter nimo ano imong gawas, and then wala kabalo og may mahitabo sa imuha. So, it's better to have life insurance in your own life. So, benefits of life insurance. So, people don't like to talk about death or things associated with it. So they often delay increasing their life insurance need. Life insurance is intangible and its benefits typically occur after you die. So, like for example, katong sa tong death of a salesman, di ba, nagpakamatay siya for life insurance para na siya ikabilin sa iyahang family. So, yung ana ang may tabo. Kung ikaw magkuhan ka sa imong insurance, na pwede different types of insurances rather. In terms of life insurance, we have, like for example, katong age, katong imo sa iyang mama na kuha siya insurances para sa iyang college, sa pag-study niya sa college. So, that certain insurances is term insurance. Natay two types of insurance, life insurances, katong three types. Term insurance, and then whole life insurance, and the last is universal insurance. So life insurance is a financial protection for the dependents. So when we say dependents, so ikaw ma'am, ibali o ikaw ma'am, na work. So ang dependents, matawag o dependents kung na-caiters or something if ever na ma'am, wala ani kalibutan, so mo to siya ang madunit sa iyong insurance. Kibali siya ang beneficiary. So mo to siya. So depends. The most important benefit of the life insurance is providing financial protections for your dependents after you're dead. So mo siya ang imong heirs, siya ang imong kanang beneficiary. So protections from the creditors. A life insurance policy can be structured so that death benefits are paid directly to a named beneficiary, so that creditors cannot claim the cash benefits from your life insurance policy. So if your life insurance policy is mao na siya, so na siya protection from the creditors if ever na nakay utang, and then ang imong life insurance is dili siya pwede mo i-cover to imong utang. That specific insurance kailangan kay beneficiary ng utang. So ang katong insurance kay nabili dili to para sa utang nimo na utang, kundi sa imong heirs. So dili ma-force sa creditors nga ako na kay nangutang siya sa ako dili kailangan siya i-policy na specific policy nga gisunod. So tax benefits. So life insurance proceed pay your heirs and as a rule are not subject to income taxes, and under certain circumstances can pass to name beneficiaries free of any state taxes. So of course, ang imuhang madawat nga as a beneficiary, so ang imuhang madawat is dili siya taxable. So dili siya kanang imong income. Kay when we say income, so nagbuhi po kang capital, and then in return na kay income after that kana mag-deduct sa mga costs. So, ang kani siya kay beneficiary na siya, and then siya ang tagapagmana, and then na siya nakuha sa gimana sa iyaha, so dili siya taxable. So vehicle for savings. So vehicle for savings is nakutali ka ng sakyanan yun ha. Ang vehicle for savings is some types of life insurance policies can serve as a savings vehicle, particular for those who are looking for safety principles. So, vehicle for savings is kanang, ang matawag mo siya vehicle for savings. Like for example, sa yung insurance is mag-apply ka or mag-acquire ka or mag-avail ka of insurance in your life. So, ang kanang certain company mo na siya ang magulit sa imuhang kwarta. And aside from that, nasa imuhang policy or sa imuhang goal nga na siya interest, even insurance na siya. So, sila ang magpadagan sa imuhang kwarta. Muna siya ang term ng vehicle for savings. So, what kind of policies is right for you? So, like for what I said earlier lang, no? So, we have two types, natay term life insurance and then the straight term. So, first is the term life insurance. So when we say term life insurance provides a specified amount of insurances, protections for the asset period. So it is simple type of insurance policy. If you die while the policy is in force, your beneficiaries will receive the full amount specified in your policy. Term insurance can be both for many different types and increments such as 5 years, 10 years, and even 10 years. So, ang term insurance naka-set may specific period of time. Like, for example, mag-acquire or mag-avail ka life insurance sa imuha, and then term life insurance. So, ibalik from this year to 2050. So, yung nag-set na siya specific itong year kung kanusan mo siya makuhaan nga insurances. If you agree ka na SSS ba is a type of insurance? SSS, pag-ibig. Ang pag-ibig, murag example na siya sa home insurance. Diba? Ang pag-ibig is na siya murag 10 years ang iyang kuhaan. So matawag siya o term life insurance. Kaya naman siya specific nga period of time. So, strict term, so it is written for a set number of years during which the amount of coverage remains unchanged. The annual premium in a strict term policy can increase each year on the annual renewable term policy or remain level throughout the policy period on the level premium term policy. So, ang gato na hitabo sa ang English, di ba, nagkuhan siya, di ba, nag-acquire yung mga o insurances for para sa iyang college kana unya kay sad to say na mas away man iyang mother, so wala nila nakuan. So ang kibali na ang expiration po sa ilang policy nga kibali sa ilang policy na expiration ang imong kibali every year imo na i-renew. So di pass away naman siya, and then ang kuan then wala po nila na-renew within a year. So, na possibility nga, imong insurances is mahimo ang crash para sa imo. Pero sa ilang company is, ay karang sitaw na, oh yes, more siya, na-income nila. Okay? Para sa imo, trash ko siya, kaya di naman ito yung makakuhan. Iba rin, mura kang nagsayang of insurance. Oo. Mo na siya nakapait sa term insurance compare sa whole life, ay sa whole life insurance. Kaya when we say term insurance, kay na siya, every year siya mag-renew, and then pag abot sa expiration, then wala mo na-renew, mo to siya mahitabo, mura na kami naglabo kong kwarta. Kaya di man to mo siya makuha. Unlike sa home life insurance, ay whole life rather, hindi siya whole life insurance kay, like for example, sa imong SSS, magtagak. So, pag abot ka ng 65 years nimo, so automatic, makakuha kang pension from your insurances. Kibali, if I'm not mistaken, kung mamatay ka with kanang wala pa kanabot sa ana nga kuan sa imong retirement nga age, so murag sa imong family na or sa imong heirs na mapadulong ang imong insurance or imong kwarta. So decreasing term. So the amount of protections decreases over its life. Decreasing term is when the amount of needed coverage declines over time. This policy maintains the level premium throughout all periods of coverage when the amount of protections increases. So mo to ang giingon kagaina nga pag imuha ang term life insurance is dili mo sa ma-renew within a year or something and a specific period, so mag-expire na and then hindi mo ma-renew, so mahimo siyang trash kay mag-decrease man ang iyang value, ang imuhang amount mag-decrease every year. So masayang lang tanan sa term life insurance. So here we go, the whole life insurance. So mo to mag-ingon sa una kagayin na. So ang whole life insurance provides permanent insurance coverage during an individual's entire life, in addition to their protection. Whole life insurance has a savings features called cash value that results from the investment earnings on paid-in insurance premium. Thus, whole life provides not only insurance coverage but also the modest return in your investment. The savings rates on the whole life policies are the normally fixed, guaranteed to be more than a certain rate of a policyholder. Cancels his contract prior to death. So, then the portions of assets set aside to provide payments for the debt claim is available to him. So, his right to a cash values in term of policyholders not for featured right. So, by the terminating their insurance contracts, policyholder forfeit their rights to death benefits. So, nakadepende po na sa inyong policy na inyong ibuhat. So, ikaw nga, kung ikaw ikaw nga nag-acquire mismo sa insurance na imuhang gusto and then together with the company, so magbuhat mo policy na. Kung ang inyong ang magbuhat mo policy like for example katong giingon ako kagaina nga about sa safety sa creditor. So ang inyong policy if naka-stipulate dito nga this one is para gyud sa kaning specific beneficiary. So ang creditors malagi labot. So nakadepende sa inyong policy nga gibuhat together ikaw ang magbuhat sa policy or together with the company. Magsabot mo ata kung sa inyong para mahigit siyang value. Okay, the continuous premium will be discussed by the next reporter.
Policy, individual pay a level feature, a whole life insurance typically provides lower yields compared to other investment options. Policy can achieve higher returns by investing in alternative vehicles such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Therefore, whole life insurance may be not the most efficient way to maximize investment returns. Number three, universal life insurance is a permanent cash value insurance that combines term insurance, which provided benefits with a tax-sheltered savings and investment account that pays interest, usually at a competitive money market price. Universal life, part of your premium pay administrative fees, and the remainder is put into cash value portion of the policy. When it earns a certain rate of return, this rate of return is valued with market yields, but it's guaranteed to be more than some stipulated minimum rate. Universal life policy enjoy the same favorable tax treatment as do other forms of whole life insurance. Death benefits and tax-free and prior of the insurance death amounts credited to cash value, including investment earnings, accumulating a tax-deferred basis. This insurance company sends the insured an annual statement summarizing the monthly credits of interest and the notation of expenses. Advantages and disadvantages of universal life insurance. There are two principal disadvantages. Flexibility. The annual premium you pay can be increased or decreased from year to year because the cost of that protection may be covered by either the annual premium or the accumulation account. Whole life insurance policy offer flexibility in premium payments. The annual premium can be adjusted from year to year based on the policy needs, financial circumstances. This flexibility allow policy holders to increase or decrease their premium payments to their ability to pay. Additionally, the cost of debt protection can be covered either the annual premium or the accumulation account, providing further flexibility in managing the financial aspect. Policy holders can also adjust debt benefits, increase or decrease it, and switch between different types of policies, such as moving from another level of benefits to one with cash value plus extended amount of insurance. Changing premiums and protection levels. Policyholders on premium payments in early years, they find that premium must be higher than original plan in later policy years to keep the policy force. While the flexibility is to adjust premium payments can be appealing, it also lead to unexpected increases in premium over time. Some policyholders might initially choose to pay lower premiums only to find themselves facing higher premiums later on only to maintain coverage. Additionally, there can be a misconception that premiums will eventually vanish when the cash value builds up to certain levels. However, they may not only be the case, especially if the interest rates decrease or other factors change. Saving feature. A universal life insurance policy